Hey everybody, it's me, Beth Maitland from Drama Queen Bee Quilt Studio, and I'm here at the car dealer getting my car serviced, and I'm sitting outside so I can talk to you and also take my mask down. Although I do have good news, it does look like the state of California on June 15th is going to consider a partial reopening of the state, which is great. All that progress and moving forward is always a sign of hope, and glad to see that we're going to be able to move around a little more freely. Anyway, I am here today to share with you and celebrate my number 20th vlog post. This is vlog number 20, and in order to celebrate, I decided that I would also edit into the last portion of this post my trip with my daughter to celebrate Mother's Day and my birthday a little earlier in the month of May, to a winery in the Central Coast. I'm not kidding, this is so beautiful here. I am sitting outside, like I said, outside the dealership, and it's noon, approximately 12:30, something like that, and it's like 68 degrees and breezy, and the birds are singing, and I'm not sweating. And I grew up in Scottsdale, so I can assure you that has its definite advantages to not have it be so hot outside that you can't stand it. Anyway, I won't keep you very long. I basically just wanted to say thank you so much to every single one of you for tuning into my vlogs so far, numbers 1 through 19, and thank you for celebrating number 20 with me today. I'm going to see whether or not I should return to more tutorial style postings. So I would love it if you wouldn't mind taking a moment in the comment section below to let me know whether you've enjoyed the vlogs or you would prefer for me to go back to sort of tutorials and more quilt specific discussions. So please take a moment, if you would, to let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe, you know, all of those catchwords we're supposed to mention when we're posting. And again, I just want to thank you so much for taking the time to tune in every now and then and say hello and comment and be a part of my quilting journey on my little YouTube channel. And I also wanted to talk a little bit about the ads. I have noticed I don't make any money from YouTube. I just want to let you know. I have noticed that all of a sudden I turned some corner and there were ads involuntarily on my YouTube channel. And I looked into it, and apparently there are new parameters on YouTube, which a lot of the other vloggers that I follow are mentioning as well, where YouTube has now reserved the right for using their platform that they can put ads on anything they want to, anywhere they want to, any kind of ads they want to, and they get the money for it and the advertising, even if we elect not to participate in their advertising platform and earnings opportunities as makers, as video studio creators. So I don't really know what to think about that, except I want to apologize for any inconvenience it causes while you're viewing my vlogs and my tutorials, for having to click turn it off in the little X portion, or you know, sit through 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 till you can skip the ads. Sorry about that. It's not my intention, and it's out of my control. I will continue to look into it and see if there's anything that I can do to ask them to stop doing that. But at the moment, according to their users agreement, I don't get a choice. So sorry about the inconvenience. So that took up a little bit of time. Sorry about that. But maybe it explains, and maybe it will encourage you guys to be a little patient and just get through it to get to the content. So thank you again, like I said, for participating with my YouTube channel and my quilting journey. Kind of journal. Vlogs are kind of like a journal. You can find my quilts on Facebook at Drama Queen Bee Quilts. It's a little private page I have. You can find my quilt adventures on Instagram at Drama Queen Bee Quilts, and here on my vlog. Let me know again whether you'd like me to continue this after 20. I think that's a good sampling. We get a good idea of what we're going to like or not like, or whether I should go back to tutorials and information about quilting. I'm happy to do either one. Like them both, and I guess I'll turn this over then to the fun part of our post, which is my little adventures with my daughter going to the Tolosa Winery in San Luis Obispo, and you can take a look at how beautiful and fun that day was. And thank you again very much, and all my very best wishes to each and every one of you. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay creative. Do something fun this week that celebrates you, art, maybe quilts, maybe your creative journey. And thank you again so much for joining me at Drama Queen Bee Quilt Studio. Hi everybody, it's Beth and Emmy, and we are at Tolosa Winery. We're masked up because COVID rules still are in play, but this is the day after Mother's Day and a couple of days before my birthday. And as a special treat, we're having a very, going to be really fun and interesting barrel tasting that Emmy's giving me for my birthday, and it's going to be a semi-private, so there won't be very many people, maybe only us. We'll have to see. But it's going to be really, really beautiful. And I wanted to show you a little bit about what a beautiful place the Central Coast is of California. The previous footage was of the vineyards. We're in the parking lot right outside of the tasting room and the tasting area, but all the way around here in Edna Valley, in the beautiful Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County, are vineyards as far as the eye can see into the beautiful foothills. So we're so fortunate to be here. We may be able to sneak a little video inside, but we wanted to share a little part of our celebration and a little part of our day. This is a sort of closer view of the olive trees, the fountain grass, the lavender, the beautiful stone walls, the landscaping. It's hedges of jasmine. That tent back there is where we'll be in just a moment for the wine tasting, but the grounds are just gorgeous. It's a little windy today, but not too windy, and it's just the perfect atmosphere for a beautiful early summer, late spring day to have a little splurge and a special celebration. And this is vlog post number 20, which I saved for our double celebration, 20 vlogs. It's amazing. So this is the tent area you saw from the parking lot, and now we're going to go over, it overlooks their actual processing portion of the plant where wine is made. And they've spared no detail. Everything is immaculate, groomed, and lovely. A tranquil, beautiful, serene, and lovely afternoon. And who's that girl at that table? There's Emmy waiting for me. Look at that pretty girl. We started with a little charcuterie, and because of COVID, they are not allowed to serve, so they are provided by a local vendor with shrink-wrapped provisions. Beautiful. There was fig and cheese and meat and delicious dried nuts and apricots and all kinds of treats. And we're animal lovers, so the day would not have been complete without a little visit from the winery cat. This little ginger cat was in and out of the bushes for the entire afternoon, kind of keeping an eye on us. I'm sure if something had smelled a little more fishy, he would have been a little bit closer, but that was lots of fun. This beautiful vineyard is located just on the southernmost edge of San Luis Obispo near their airport. And so when you fly into San Luis Obispo, you fly right over these beautiful vineyards. It's an unbelievable sight. And why, here are some new wine tasters arriving now. Well, we did it. Vlog number 20. Thank you again so much for tuning in. All the very best to you this week, and we'll be back with another something or other very soon. All the best from Beth Maitland at Drama Queen Bee Quilt Studios.